In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who shared your Instagram post. Now, before we dive in, it's important to be clear about what Instagram actually allows you to see. A lot of people assume there's a hidden setting or a trick that reveals exactly which accounts have shared their content. But at the moment, Instagram simply does not provide that level of detail. You cannot see the specific usernames or profiles of the people who shared your post. What you can see instead is the number of times your post was shared. So this video will walk you through what that means, where to find that information, and how to make the most of it, even without seeing individual sharers. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Then go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. From there, choose the post you're interested in. This can be a photo, a video, or a carousel. Once you've opened the post, look for the word View Insights just below the image or video. This option is usually visible on business accounts, creator accounts, and some personal accounts with access to insights. Tap View Insights, and Instagram will open a small panel that shows the performance of that specific post. On this Insights screen, you'll see several metrics, such as likes, comments, saves here, and overall reach. There will also be a section that shows how people interacted with your post through shares. Depending on your version of the app, this may appear as a share icon with a number or a label that includes shares or send to. That number represents how many times your post was shared to other users, usually through direct messages or by being added to someone's story. Even though you can't see who exactly shared it, this number is still very useful. A higher share count usually means your content is resonating with people enough that they want to pass it along. You can use this to understand what type of posts your audience finds most valuable or entertaining. For example, if a certain style of photo, caption, or topic consistently gets more shares, that's a strong hint that you should create more content in that direction. So while Instagram doesn't show you the specific accounts that shared your post, you can still monitor and learn from the total number of shares shown in your post insights and use that information to guide and improve your future content.